I have a question to ask you. Did you know that evolutions are the cure for your STI? Did you know this? This man's getting strapped up. This man's getting strapped up. There he is over there with the special shirt. Here we go. Let's talk about the man's setup. We got stock block, right? Stock block. Ooh, yummy. Your shit is shining, bro. Your shit is shining. All right, we got a MAP T3 kit. Nice. Stock block. Nice. And you know, all your little accoutrements, you know, your fuel system modifications, you know. And the man came to get it too, right? Right? This guy's got fucking money. You know when you buy Jordans? Yeah, this guy bought Rays and he got the center caps. He's got money. Hey, MaPerformance. Just wanted to let you guys know something. I really like something that you guys make, and I want to share this with the gram. I want to share it with Snapchat. See the hood vent? Good. See the light coming through the hood vent? Good. See the old school grill? Good. See how that airflow just gets sucked right in? See that? How it sucks right in? See that? See how it creates a Karman vortex around the pipe? See that? Man, you better watch out for this guy in third gear. When that shit kick in, this shit's gonna work like a forward-facing kit. I like aero. I like to talk shit about people's cars and how much I like them, but I like this wing. I'm feeling this wing. I like how it kind of looks stock, but it's kind of not stock. Is this a stock wing like taken apart? Nah. Oh, there's a whole wing created, right? I like this shit. This shit is dope. All right, here we go. All right, let's check. Killing them. Fight that AC. Yeah, we like it. We like it a lot. MaPerformance. Hey, MaPerformance. Yo, bro, your shit works. We're at 24 pounds right now. 480 on 24 pounds. That fucking makes me happy, MA. Ready for its IG post. Here we go. 500, bro. Just like everybody else, bro. 93 octane, stock block, stock cams. Let's do it. Ever again am I getting yelled at for a dyno sheet. I'm literally going to fucking post pulling the dyno sheet out and putting it on the dashboard right next to the Jesus. Oh, you're asking about your dyno sheet, right? Fuck you, bro. Yo, fucking dyno sheet right here. For the car meets. Ooh.